This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a good backup. Don't guess. If you use iCloud, open Settings, your name, iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Make sure it completes. If you prefer a local copy, connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, choose Backup Now, and enable encrypted backup if you want passwords and health data saved. Once done, verify backup timestamp and make sure you know your Apple ID password. You will erase the device next. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset and choose Erase all content and settings. Enter your device passcode and Apple ID password when prompted to remove activation lock. After the device restarts, follow on-screen setup. Pick your language, Wi-Fi, and then choose Restore from iCloud Backup if you used iCloud. If you backed up locally, connect to the computer, open Finder or iTunes, select the device, and choose Restore Backup. Then pick the correct backup and click Restore. You finish by letting the restore run. This can take minutes to hours depending on size. Keep the phone plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Once the restore completes, you'll sign back into your Apple ID, re-enter passwords for mail and banking apps, and confirm settings and photos are present. If something goes wrong, make sure the backup actually contains the data you expect. Check Wi-Fi and Apple ID credentials, and if iCloud Restore stalls, try restoring from a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.